It was fall-like weather, honestly.
Oh, I wish, maybe that's why they're bringing it back. Just, like, just being hopeful.
Hopeful, I guess.
Manifesting.
They're
That's the
manifesting
word.
it. Yeah, I just can't imagine drinking a pumpkin spice latte in 103-degree weather. It just doesn't seem fine.
I can't either. I mean, maybe if you're gonna go outside right now, you can drink your pumpkin spice latte because it's not too bad. It's only in the 80s. 86 to be exact. Our dew point though is in the 70s, which means it's feeling very muggy, and that's going to kick up our feels like temperature, already feeling like the 90s. Taking a look at our CBS 19 radar, there's a couple of storms up to our north, a couple more out to the west, but let's focus in on the ones to our north. Those are along the border in the Arklatex, and we have a couple of small showers that are making their way south near Mount Pleasant and Gilmer, same at Jefferson. But it doesn't look like most of us will get rain. I mean, we're having some clouds, but those showers are going to be confined to the northern parts of our region. Looking into our futurecast, looks like those showers are going to be confined to Linden, Mount Pleasant. We'll have some gusty winds throughout the day, but to the south, we are staying clear and dry. So unfortunately, those of us who haven't gotten rain in quite some time are staying dry. Lufkin and Longview, same at Tyler, we've gone 23 days with no rain. The dry streak continues for Henderson and Jacksonville. Palestine pushing 60 days with no rain. However, even though we're not getting rain, we are getting gusty winds. Those are going to be coming in from the south. Those gusts can be anywhere between 15 and 25 miles per hour, so that might rumble some branches, some larger branches, or if you're out on the lakes, might kick up a couple of small waves. That's sticking with us through pretty much all of today. We're not getting a relief from that wind. And that won't cool us off too much. We're still feeling pretty warm. We have heat alerts in place everywhere. In the orange, a heat advisory, and then in the pink, an excessive heat warning. Those go into effect at 11 a.m. today and then go all the way through 8 p.m. With that, what we're expecting is in the orange, our heat index values being between 105 and 110 degrees. And then everywhere in the pink, it can be anywhere between 110 and 115. So it's going to be very hot. Be sure that you're checking on your elderly neighbors and your children. Here in Tyler, like I said, the heat index, we're under that heat advisory. The heat index is going up to 110 today around 5 p.m. So be sure that you are packing water with you, hydrating as much as possible. Take frequent breaks from the heat in the shade or go inside to the air conditioning. Wear light colored clothing because if something is dark, it's going to hold on to that heat and make you feel a lot hotter. And then check on your children and pets because they are most susceptible to the heat. Same with sensitive groups like the elderly. Our air temperatures, though, are topping out in the triple digits again today. 102 is the high in Tyler and Longview. Henderson up to 103. Jacksonville and Palestine, you guys are warming up to a sizzling 104 degrees today. So with those triple digits, we will be adding another day to our consecutive day streak above 100 degrees. Yesterday afternoon, we tied with the number 2 streak. We've only had 15 days so far, but that's our second longest streak ever. That will be added though, so we're going to take that number 2 spot later today when we top out at 102 degrees here in Tyler. So we have those heat alerts in place, and then we're going to be adding even more triple-digit days. I don't think we'll break that number 1 record, but we will definitely be adding because 103 tomorrow, Thursday, the hottest day this week is sizzling 105 degrees.